Meanwhile, a tragic update tonight as the parents of two-time PGA Tour winner Grayson Murray confirmed that he did die by suicide. As the golf world mourns the loss of the champion, many wonder how this could have happened. West 2's Paula Tristan Arruda spoke to a mental health professional about the warning signs to look out for if someone you know is struggling.
It's a shock in the sports community after the parents of professional golfer Grayson Murray confirmed he died by suicide. It happened Saturday, one day after he withdrew from the Charles Schwab Cup Challenge in Texas. His parents released a statement saying in part, quote, "We have spent the last 24 hours trying to come to terms with the fact that our son is gone. It's surreal that we not only have to admit it to ourselves, but that we also have to acknowledge it to the world. It's a nightmare."
So knowing what the signs and symptoms are of different mental health situations that someone could be in is vital.
Renee Charowitz is a licensed mental health counselor. Although Mental Health Awareness Month is coming to an end, she says this is something that should always be discussed. According to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, suicide is the 11th leading cause of death in the U.S., and more than 49,000 Americans died by suicide in 2022.
Some of the signs of depression could range from one degree to another, such as not being able to get out of bed, low motivation, struggling to keep appointments, confusion. That's one extreme. And to another extreme, it could be consistent hypervigilance.
She says sometimes people will use drug addiction and substance abuse to mask the pain. So it's important to check on loved ones, ask them if they are okay without judgment. And she says people should reach out to family, friends, and licensed mental health professionals. And to those struggling,
there is a light at the end of the tunnel. There is hope. People are there to help.
Paula Tristan Arruda, WESH 2 News.
And if you or someone you know is in crisis, there is help. 988 is the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. It is available 24 hours in both English and Spanish.